Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well. Today we will discuss do's after putting the braces. Sometimes patient gets sensation, sometimes patients in questions how to brush with the braces in the mouth. Sometimes patient complains of sore throat, sore mouth. So we will see in this video. Do watch the video till the end. If you are new on this channel, do subscribe, do share, like and feel free to comment. After putting the braces or after getting the braces, you must be thinking about so many questions like do the braces hurt? Or what to do if you feel soreness. Actual process of putting braces on your teeth doesn't hurt. However, since the braces are new to your teeth, it's normal to feel some discomfort and soreness in starting couple of days. Try to eat soft food the first day that you get your braces. If you feel soreness, rinse with salt water. However, traditionally orthodontic brackets place onto the teeth once at a time. We will put mandible or maxilla, that is upper or lower at a time. Patient asks, how often should we come back for our braces appointment? Generally, the answer is you must come periodically to get your braces tightened or adjusted. That way we can also make sure that your teeth are moving in right direction. The third question is time span, that is how long is the braces treatment going on. Everybody is having different structures. There is different type of malocclusion, age factors and how regular you are visiting to the dental clinics. It could take around 1.5 year, 2 year or 3 years depending upon the condition of the malocclusion of a patient to complete the treatment. The next question is how should you brush with your braces? You should use soft bristle toothbrush. Brush in a small circular motion along the gum line. Keep your brush at 45 angle to the gum line. Make sure to brush below and above the wires to clean entire teeth and around all of your brackets. Also brush outer, inner and chewing surfaces of your teeth. If you want, you can use small proxy toothbrushes to remove the food around the brackets. Patient always in questions that how do we floss around the brackets. So generally we recommended floss once a day. Make sure to thread the floss underneath the wire first when flossing. Move the floss up and down on either side of the tooth. Make sure to hug to contour of each tooth. Remember, move the floss to the other side of the tooth as well. We can also use platypus flossers which can be easier because it goes underneath your wire. Slide the thin side of flosser called the spatula end underneath wire. Use the flosser up and down one side of the tooth. Do the same thing to the other side of the tooth. Other way using water flosser is the simple way to clean your teeth with the brackets. Water flosser should fill it up with water. Use low speed. Use around the brackets to remove the food. Foods to avoid with braces like chewy foods, crunchy foods, sticky foods like caramel, candies, chewing gums, hard foods like nuts, hard candies. Food that requires biting, that is apple, carrot, cucumber, and also try to avoid hard food like bones and toast like bakery products. Now we will discuss what food we can eat with the braces. Dairy food like soft cheese, puddings, milk-based drinks, bread, pancake, muffins without nuts, grains, pasta, soft cooked rice, meat, poultry, soft cooked chicken, meatballs, lunch meats, then seafood, tuna, salmon, crab cakes, then vegetables, smashed vegetables, potatoes, steamed spinach, beans, fruits like banana, fruit juices, then ice cream without nuts, then milkshake you can eat. Be careful, apple or other fruits, use it as a small pieces to avoid the breakage of brackets. Carrot, cucumbers, cut into the pieces and then eat. Crunchy food also don't eat. Now how to look after your fixed braces? Please do, that is brush your teeth 3 times a day. Spend 3 to 4 minutes while brushing your teeth. Use a fluoride mouthwash. Use an interdental toothbrush. Cut up your food into smaller pieces. Remember that fewer breakages means shorter treatment time. Now please don't the things, that is eat hard, chewy or crunchy foods. Snacks on sweet between meals. Drink fizzy, acidic or sweet drinks. Drink large amount of fruit juices. Bite your fingernails. Chew your pain. Bite into apples or carrot. Now the next is what to do if you have a broken brackets or pokey wire or cheek irritation. Take a small piece of wax and directly place onto the broken brackets or wire. If poking any wire, to secure it in place with piece of wax and visit to the orthodontist is the must. If you are having soreness, you have to take salt water gargle, that is a warm salt water gargle 4 times a day. That usually gives you better result. Soreness usually happen after getting braces. After gargling with salt water, that will help you much and you feel better. Can you get a dental checkup with braces on? Answer is since you don't have any cavity, so be careful about Indian Dental Association recommended routine dental checkup once in a 6 months that you have to do. The last question is after removing the braces, what happened? After removing the braces, you will receive retainers. Make sure to maintain beautiful smile. To wear retainers is mandatory. We already done video on it. Retainers, do check the description box. So friends, getting the braces is an amazing experience. I hope this video was more helpful to all of you. See you soon with the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.